In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to schedule a live stream or live video on Restream. So log into your Restream account and then click on create new stream. And here you get total 3 different options to make a new live stream. One is directly using Restream Studio. Another is using encoder like OBS, Zoom, etc. And another is pre-recorded video. So in my case, I'm going to schedule a live stream using this video or playlist option. So I'm selecting this option and here I'm selecting a single video file. And then I'm clicking on upload video. And from my PC, I'm just uploading a random video here. And then you can type here your video title. You can write here your video description. And here we can see the scheduling date field. So click on this date field and select a scheduling date and select a scheduling time from here. And then if you want to change your schedule thumbnail, you can just click on replace to change it. Then click on next. And here select channels, in which channels you want to schedule the live video. So in my case, I'm just scheduling my Twitch account. So I'm turning on Twitch. If you can click on add channels, and now from here you can go ahead and connect your channels first of all, and then click on create event, and that's it. Here as you can see, I've successfully scheduled a live video on my Restream. Now to see all of your scheduled video from Restream homepage, select scheduled, and here you will find all of your scheduled live stream. That's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.